Hi, today I want to talk to you about how to put a hold in Destiny so that you can pick them up on curbside. So the way to go to Destiny is through the school's website. So you would go to cobbk12.org/Russell. And once you get to the school's website page, you would click Find It Fast up here in the top right corner. Then you will come over here where it says Cobb Digital Library. This is where all of our resources are held. And once you get here, if it doesn't say Russell in the top box, make sure you go ahead and type that in. Choose the Russell Elementary that has Smyrna, Georgia beside it. Then you would enter your information as if you were Office 365. And then once the digital library opens, you'll notice that Destiny is the first one. If you hover over it, it says Open Now. You click there. Once Destiny Discover opens up, you can search for books, but you will not be able to place a hold. In order to use all the features that are available, you need to come over to the right-hand corner and click Log In. Cobb County Schools Login. And then you'll be back and you'll notice that your child's name will be up in the corner with their emoji or sticker if they've chosen one. Up here at the top are some links that teachers like to use. The first row are topics. So if a child wanted a book that was a scary story, they could click on this box. Mysteries, adventures, and so on. The next line is about popular titles. Recently added books. Lightbox has videos in them. Ebooks, you can read right on the computer. Audiobooks, interactive books, and then collections. Collections are just groups of books that have links put in there. So let's scroll back up to the topics. I want to find a mystery book. So I click on there. And as you're waiting for it to load, there are many things that you can find in Destiny, which I'll go over later. So as I'm looking at these mystery books, you can click on the middle of it and it flips over to tell you where it's located, its Lexile level, and so on. You can click this heart right here to favorite the book. It will put it in your favorites list. You can click more details to get more details, like a little synopsis about it. Right here is where you will place the hold. So notice again, it tells you a little bit about the book, where it's located, and what its Lexile is. And also that it's a book and not a CD or such. So right here is where you could do hold. You could also do a favorite or put it in your own collection of books. So if I click hold, it takes a minute, and then it says that you've put it on hold. Notice that you can also unhold it if you decide you don't want anymore. Once you've made all your selections, you can go over here to the top left corner where the hamburgers are, these three lines, and you can click on My Stuff. You can see here any checkouts that you may already have, books that you have on hold, any finds that you have, your favorited books, the ones that you click the heart on, your history, so books that you've checked out in the past, and then your profile has your little sticker or emoji. You can edit that there. So if I go back to the holds list, it says this one's pending. That means I have to go get it pulled. Don't go by the date on the bottom here where it says check out by 9:15. There will be certain dates of the week that you can come to check out in times that for curbside service. So going back to the books, If you click on these books, you can also search by the author, sublocation, or Lexile level. If you search, or reading level. So these are all the books, scary stories. So if I wanted to narrow the reading level, I could bring this in. You notice the minimum 3rd grade all the way up to, let's say, 6th grade. So minimum, maximum, apply it, and then it will shorten the list to books that fall, scary books that fall in just in that category. You may also do it by languages, location, format, genre, and so on. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you're able to place a hold and get curbside service with your books.